guys, welcome to today's video. Welcome to day 22, and today's video is sponsored by Smile Bright, and today's video is all about Smile Bright. And of course I have this look filmed for you guys. You should think this is a game. So Smile Bright. Okay, so Smile Bright is an at-home teeth whitening system, a DIY, do it yourself. These kits go for $99 US. But with my code SMILE61, you can get your kit for $25 US, shipped to wherever you are, as long as your country accepts the shipping. And I really think they do worldwide shipping. I've been working with Smile Bright for years upon years, and this man is huge because Smile Bright is where I made money. You're talking about passive income, and all I did was use the product, show that it worked, and they're like, shit, I'm gonna buy it for $25. I am excited thinking about this video because you know the belts are on their way. And you know the issue that I had, well, that everybody had with customs. I did not speak about it. I heard of it, but I chose not to speak on it because I'm a very powerful individual, and things that I speak on, it has weight, you see me, and I'm learning that, which is why I'm choosing to do how I do. And let me just say this right here, let me just have this perched so you just in your mind, I'm subconscious in you. That is why I curated close friends on my Instagram, because close friends is my safe space. Close friends is where I go to whenever I'm breaking down, I'm having those vulnerable moments, and I want to share. Now I know that sounds weird, but I even said it to my close friends. There has to be a reason. I've been doing this for 12 years. There has to be a correlation between doing a video, being who I am, what I am for so long, and just, you know, going through my daily life. There has to be a connect. You know, like when a plumber, like everything is a pipe and so that's the exact thing. As an accountant, after a while you just start reading numbers. As a teacher, after a while you just start like doing things in a teacher mode. It's just what it is, you see me? I have the fan turned on, so I'm going to start sweating, so I really do apologize because the fan is on. I recognize that you guys can't hear me, and I feel like I'm speaking really fast because I'm using my phone, and again I'm getting really hot, and I am really excited. I really feel like I want to just go a little bit, I'm hugging it a little bit more. Smile Bright is my baby. Sarah from Smile Bright, that's my baby, okay? And she's one of the companies that did not give up on me, okay? So as much as I can, I'm going to be pushing her product like it was POMI. Do you hear me? Like it was flipping POMI, because Smile Bright never looked on me and discarded me. Girl, listen, this weekend, yo, that vlog was this week. Today is the 23rd. No, today's the 22nd. Today's the 22nd. The vlog I did over the weekend with being at FDR, bro, when I tell you, bitch, that was just, anyway. So they have a new packaging. So the one we used to know. Anyway, let me just show you guys what. Oh shit. Oh, so it's like I've never opened it, by the way. You wanna believe me? I'm not opening it when I say it look like I know. So you guys are seeing it. I smell it. It smells familiar. Let me see, and it's the rechargeable one. Oh shit, I don't know what to do. Blood cleanse. Oh no, look at that way. Oh shit, mama said they have it too long. You know, for when I have this, oh my god. Oh shit. Oh, so these are the vials that you put. Okay, so I don't know how to use. So this is the electric one, so I'm gonna have to charge it. Oh shoot, I'm gonna have to charge it before. I should have really like dug into these. Let me just reposition these. I should have really opened these, but yeah, that's the thing. And they have the instruction manual, and they have the teeth thing. I don't know what color my teeth is, so we're going to do this. We're going to do a live demo today, by the way. And this is the charging thing. What I'm going to do, because I actually have my charger here, so I'm actually going to put this to charge. Look at the charging thing. I don't. It's when me did I do Smile Bright, we never have to charge nothing. We just put on the cream or the gel on the tray, and then put the tray in your mouth and put the light in your mouth. But no, I have somewhere to hose it. That's so cool. Oh, shit, it has 3 different lights. You saw that? Before it only had one. Alright, storage, avoid sunlight, shelf life is 12 months. Dry your teeth, rinse mouth before mouthpiece, look in the mirror, record the stage your teeth is at, whatever. But why does it have so many lights? Warm prompt to dry teeth. Yeah. Oh, do not brush your teeth before this shit. You're going to think it's numbing off your gums. Don't you dare. I brushed my teeth this morning, but I was like over an hour ago. Rinse mouth with water, apply gel onto the surface of the tooth, put mouthpiece in your mouth, bite it, and then 16 minutes? Was it always 16? Then rinse your mouth with water and then wash off the mouthpiece. But what are the additional lights? Hold on, let me read this shit. I'm so freaking proud of you, Sarah. Baby, I'm so proud of you. Baby. Look at her name, Smile Bright. I am tearing up. Oh, so it takes 2 hours to charge. The different light is the so the blue light is what I use to charge. When the red light comes on, it means it's dead, and the red and blue means it's almost dying. I don't know, but it says something about green, so I guess it will go green. The pen, I don't know what the lights mean. It takes 16 minutes, so I'll just figure that out. I don't know what it is. Oh, so it's 3 different pens. I'm taking them out. Oh shit, I should have probably not stick them back down. Come on, I'm on nailsies. But there's a silver one in here, but I don't know what the silver one is for. But anyway, let's move right along. Oh, and then you twist it like a cuticle pen thing, and then you put it in your mouth for 16 minutes. You twist it, yeah, until gel flows. Oh, at this frig up, at this run out. Oh, it's not twisting out. Oh shit. It's not doing as a gel though. It's coming out as a liquid. I don't think it should be coming out so liquidy. Oh, it's hella liquidy. Hold on. Let me see if I can go for another one. I need something to kind of ease it up and pry it out. I'm a tweezer. Okay. Alright, so this one was a little bit watery. I have the other 2. This silver one, not wheat, and this one, let me see. Oh shit, sorry. Let me see what this looks like. Yeah, see, it's all liquidy. Oh no, to shit. I've had it too damn long. Hold on, I really hope this one, if it's liquidy. Oh, it's all liquidy. Oh, I'm gonna have to ask for a replacement from Sarah. No. Okay, let me use the first one that I already wind up. And then one, because it eventually turns into liquid in your mouth. But let's just see. So I'm putting it on the shit cloth. I do my teeth. Hold on there. I forgot something to my teeth. I'm gonna turn on the fan now and then go and play. I'm gonna leave this on. I'm so hyped. I'm gonna turn on the fan because I know you see me sitting. I'm gonna show them my teeth. Oh, knock off this. Alright, so I can't see now. I'm gonna bring it down. You can't see. So I'm hoping. Alright, okay, good. I'm seeing the camera. So this is my teeth, and this is what you should do to gauge it. So I don't know which one it reads, so you can tell me. I don't know. Hold on. Shit. Oh, sorry. Okay. Oh no! Look at. Oh no! Couldn't tell me. Some ass sweats. What's up, blood cleanse? Gosh. Why am I Eric? I told you guys that with my technique, I don't need much, and I do not use a primer. You guys know that I'm not wearing a primer, right? Alright, so let's do this again. So, hold on there. I'm getting a 4 and a 5. Yeah, like a 4 and a 5. I'm between a 3, 4, or 5. I don't know. I guess I can see better when I'm editing. So I'm gonna do this again. What a pen. What a other. And turn the light one. and let it do what it do. Okay, come on now. Come on now. Okay. Here we go. I'm so excited. It's trash, got trash. Oh, this is gross. I hope you're not seeing. So I didn't put enough gel on it. I know because I've done it before. I rarely tasted it. Usually I would taste it almost the same time. Got niggy. Just wash it in your mouth. But yeah, no, my hands forget to wet. I don't even know what it looks like. I realized I had you guys on the mount. When I have you guys on the mount. Hopefully this will do. I'm just rinsing off the tray. Alright. I got nails on, so I have to finesse it. And I have to keep down here so dry because I don't get it charged from. That's my only fear with rinsing off the tray now. If it's going to get wet and mash up. Different position. I need wipes to wipe this off. Hold on, let me get my cloth. Am I wiping this off? Okay, so nervous. I'm so nervous because I don't know what it's going to say. I will use this disclaimer. I did not use enough gel because it wasn't the gel, it was liquidy. So I'm gonna have to put more on it when I do it. Not today. I'm going to do it the day after tomorrow because like I don't need to be whitening my teeth so much. And the truth is, I'm going to link my very first Smile Bright video in the description, and you'll see where it took my teeth. No, my teeth, it looks as if my teeth is that, I don't know, when I did it before, it was at like a 3 or a 4. It's probably at a 5, I don't know. But my teeth were, it moved from I think from a 10 to a 4. My teeth moved from a 10 to a 4 6 or 5 years ago. So let's see. I'm not sure again, so hold on. How am I gonna do this? Alright. Oh no! I'm gonna turn it down and then use this Malcolm. I don't know, it still looks the same. It still looks the same to me. It still looks the same. But in editing, I guess I'll see, but it looks the same to me. So those are my disclaimers. So when I do this again, use the right amount of gel and everything. Oh, and let me show you guys how it charges. So it takes 2 hours to fully charge, and it's magnetic. And then it's charging, and then it takes 2 hours, and when it's green, it's fully charged. And this is where you hose it. This is so cute. It's cute that we have a container now, and then we also have this box that we rotted. Oh, I was wondering. So I can charge it by itself, or I can put it in this and charge it. Because I was wondering, I was like, why on earth don't I have another adapter? Because there's a space for another adapter, but I don't see it. Oh, bet, so I can cover it up and charge it. That's so sanitary than have it lying around. That's so cool. So I can plug it in, right? And then, so how do you know when it's charging? No, come on. Oh! Don't tell anyone. Yay, it's charging and it's sanitary. Yes, bitch. Yes, 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 and only $25. Come on now, it's in the description. Go ahead, go share the link and tell everything you can tell everybody. I'm the man, I'm the man, I'm the man. Yeah. So we'll see. I'll see how it looks. My teeth looks the same. I ain't even gonna hold you. It does look the same. So next time, okay. I need to use more gel. All right, so day after tomorrow, we'll do this again. Not specifically for SMILEBRIGHT like with this video, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to like include it in a vlog, so you will be seeing me using SMILEBRIGHT again throughout the vlogs. Again, massive thank you to SMILEBRIGHT for sponsoring this entire video. I could not have shared this with anything else because this has been so nostalgic for me, and they have just been my heart, and I genuinely appreciate them as a company and how they have stepped their goddamn game up, baby. Sarah, I'm so proud of you. This is everything. $25. No. Unless with my code, SMILE61. If you're not using my code, you're paying $99. And you're saying, the jump is a little steep. Yeah, honey, because they're looking out for us. SMILEBRIGHT has been looking out for us. SMILEBRIGHT is like, all right, bet. If you can get these sold, we're going to pay you heftily. And guess what? Your subscribers don't even have to pay heftily for us to pay you heftily. Let me tell you something. SMILEBRIGHT is for the people. Okay. So if you're an influencer, you want to be a part of SMILEBRIGHT, have your own code, link them up. Baby, the pie is there for everybody. And then we have different flavor kind of pie. We have apple pie, cherry pie, mustard pie, peanut pie, guava pie, pumpkin pie, pineapple pie. We have a lot of pies. We have water, soda, we have juice. We have a lot of, food to choose from. And it's there for everyone. We have a large table. Don't be fooled, honey. Don't be fooled. SMILEBRIGHT is for us. And shout out to Sarah. Shout out to SMILEBRIGHT. In the description, SMILE61, SMILEBRIGHT Atlanta, $25. You don't have to pay no $99. It's $25. Okay, bye. It is charged. Yay!